This is Brian at Atlanta Hot Tub Center, and standing in front of me is Rod. He's the service manager here, and today we are replacing some shaft seals on a couple of motors, right? So we're going to kind of show you the process. Let me play you a little scenario first. We show up to your house. We open up the motor compartment and we see that your shaft seal is leaking. Most service companies at this point, they're going to replace your motor, right? They're going to say, hey, you need a new motor. It's $600, $700, $500. Well, we don't do it that way. We pick your motor up and we actually fix the problem. So today we are going to look at these two motors. One of them we've basically already taken apart, right? Because we don't want to sit here on the video for 10, 15 minutes to really show you what we're doing here. So here's the one that's still put together. Your shaft seal is actually up underneath this housing here. And what the shaft seal is, it's kind of like a spring-loaded O-ring that keeps water from leaking out of the wet end and or pump back into the motor and creating some type of short or simply just leaking. So now at this point, let's take a look at the motor that we already have apart. You can see he takes off the front here, and on this you've got an O-ring here, right? Faceplate O-ring, and underneath there you have an impeller, and on this backside he's got a screwdriver. There's other ways that you can do it, but basically on the backside it is slotted so that way you can get your hand on this impeller. And sometimes this process is a little bit harder than what we're showing, all right? We're doing one that's a little bit easier just to show you on the actual video. Sometimes we got to get this thing in a vise because this impeller has been underwater so long. I mean, literally it's rusted on to the actual shaft of the motor. But here you go, you can see there's your shaft seal, and you can see, right, it's kind of like a spring-loaded O-ring there, right? And when you screw it up against this, right, that's what it does. It compresses that spring, creating a tight seal. And you also have the ceramics, right? Because this impeller, it spins, and it would get hot if it didn't have some ceramics to spin on. And so that's what this is. This part of the impeller, when you screw it onto the shaft, it tightens down to the ceramics, and then you turn the motor on and that spins against that ceramic, and that's what actually creates the pressure, right? You got an intake and a discharge on the pump. The discharge is where all the pressure is coming from, and it is created by that impeller. So what we're going to simply do here is we're going to pull those ceramics out, right? We're gonna put new ceramics in, we're gonna put a new shaft seal on here, and we're gonna tidy this bad boy up, right? And believe it or not, that's all it took. 20, 30 minutes to fix your motor opposed to buying an entire new motor, right? So some pretty cool stuff here from Atlanta Hot Tub Center. And if you have any questions, give us a call anytime. We're here to serve you. We're here to take care of you. 770-558-4496 or AtlantaHotTubCenter.com, Atlanta Hot Tub Center on YouTube, Atlanta Hot Tub University on YouTube. So a lot of good stuff there too. Look us up. Thank you.